The Mediterranean is renowned for its stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities. But for many, the true allure lies in its cuisine. Fresh, delicious, and healthy, Mediterranean food is a major attraction for travelers. Travelers can immerse themselves in the local food culture by joining small group tours or booking tailor-made holidays. These experiences offer the chance to explore the best food producers, restaurants, and markets with knowledgeable local guides. Each Mediterranean country offers its own unique culinary experiences. From the gourmet restaurants of France to the vibrant tapas bars of Spain and the traditional olive harvests in Greece, there's something for every food lover. Many food holidays include hands-on cooking lessons, allowing travelers to learn and perfect local dishes. These experiences provide a deeper connection to the culture and cuisine of the region. Wine is an integral part of Mediterranean food holidays. Travelers can enjoy vineyard tours and wine tastings, experiencing the rich flavors and traditions of the region's winemaking. Food tours can be combined with a variety of cultural or physical activities, such as walking, cycling, or yoga. This allows travelers to enjoy a well-rounded and enriching experience. For those with dietary preferences, there are vegetarian and vegan food holidays available. Travelers can learn to cook delicious Mediterranean vegan dishes, ensuring everyone can enjoy the culinary delights of the region. Mediterranean cuisine is celebrated for its healthy ingredients and dining rituals. With an emphasis on fresh produce, olive oil, and shared meals, it embodies a lifestyle that is both delicious and nourishing. The Mediterranean offers a rich tapestry of culinary experiences, from cooking lessons and wine tours to exploring local markets and dining at gourmet restaurants. Consider booking a small group tour or a tailor-made holiday to immerse yourself in the culinary traditions of this vibrant region.